In the last episode of my Lejog training series, I discovered mysterious historic sites in the heart of the English countryside and explored ancient tombs from over 5,000 years ago. Now join me on another adventure where I walk through misty hilltops and awesome nature to discover an amazing hidden gem. Good morning everyone, I am here near the Surrey Hills and today I'm going to be doing what will hopefully be a spectacular walk through a part of the English countryside I haven't really seen before. I'm here at the sunrise, it's a misty morning, and I'm just going towards a church that is found just on top of this hill. It's meant to be a beautiful church with a beautiful view, and to me that sounds awesome, so that's where we're heading to first. It's not much of a view this morning. I've obviously got up here just as the fog has rolled over the hill, but I will say I don't really mind. I mean, it would be nice to see the hillside view, but I'm going to be walking all day along the hillside, so I know I'll get to see some awesome views. It's actually really cool to see this church in such an atmospheric way. The sun is like creating this yellow through the fog, and then this is just being highlighted. I think it's really cool actually. I'm heading my way down the hill now away from the church, and I'm going towards an abandoned gunpowder factory. It was built over 300 years ago. So I've made it into the misty forest where this gunpowder factory is located. And I've just seen it now in front of me, and it is far, far bigger than I thought. This place is absolutely huge. I don't know if there's other buildings. I'm gonna go do some exploring in the forest nearby, see if there's more buildings like this, but I have never seen such a big abandoned place that's open to the public. It's really incredible and pretty well intact considering it's from over 300 years ago. And again, just found in a beautiful, beautiful forest with water flowing through it, little rivers. It's incredible. And with the fog as well, it just makes a perfect environment to explore it. So cool. I did not expect that because on Google Maps it doesn't really have much reviews, so I didn't expect it to be so impressive, but it really is. Anyway, I'm gonna keep exploring the area. Hopefully we can find more stuff like this. So now I'm heading out of the forest and I am on the fields walking towards another bunch of hills, and in these hills is a really awesome looking hidden gem. The fog is slowly lifting up, the day is staying really nice, the weather's gorgeous. It's been a beautiful walk once again. I have landmarks that I want to go and explore, but I don't have a trail, any research done on how to actually get to them from one to the other. So I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. And I really enjoy that. I know where I've got to get to, I've got a goal, but I don't know how I'm gonna get there, and that just leaves room for lots of spontaneity, keeps me in the moment making decisions, and just feels a bit more adventurous, to be honest. It's a big fat pig. For those that don't know, which I guess is everyone. I really want a big fat pig as a pet. Don't ask me why, I want to call it Gordon. My girlfriend doesn't agree, but seeing this big fat pig on my walk has given me energy to continue on, even though I had plenty of energy. That is really deep. That is a really deep puddle. My shoes are a little bit wet. I actually walked past the guy who said, oh, I think you'll need your wellies for this next bit. And I was like, nah, I'll be all right. I definitely would have. I ain't getting past that unless I drench my feet. And I still have many hours to walk, so I don't want to do that. So I'm doubling back on myself. A little bit annoying, but on the plus side, I get to see the big fat pigs again. Hello, big fat pigs. I have just seen a major environment change. I'm just taking a break to have some lunch, and I'm doing so in a completely different sort of environment. It's really cool to explore, actually. So I've just come off the side of a road and I've come and plunged into a truly beautiful hidden oasis here. Not far from the road at all, but it's got a waterfall and tranquil water. This is incredible. Nothing on Google Maps showing this whatsoever. This is, yeah, just stumbled across this beautiful hidden gem. So I'm on a farm road right now. The public path has ended and it's all just private ground. I need to get somewhere over there, but it's all private. So I'm walking down this little country road and I'm hoping that I'll see a public footpath on my right somewhere. It's a public path. So I've been walking for just over 4 hours. The day has turned into a beautiful blue sky day and I'm almost here at the hidden gem. So I've just been enjoying some lunch, soaking in the view. So this behind me was actually like commissioned by the government. And so they brought a bunch of artists and challenged them to make different art pieces based on different viewing points in these hills. And this one's called Perspective. And I had to research through them all. And personally, just looking at the Google images, this one was my favorite. It's just so unique to find this in the middle of a forest facing such a stunning view. It really is very artistic and very beautiful. And I think it's the perfect place to end today's adventure and end today's walk. Looking out for a beautiful view. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.